Welcome back to Healthy Nidhi. So today we're making two very delicious one-pan breakfast. We start by making breakfast carrot cake. To make the cake, we soak golden raisins in orange juice to plump up and soften. Then in a greased baking pan, we take 2 soft bananas, mash it well. To this we add grated carrots, mix well to combine. Add milk of your choice, brown sugar for that added sweetness and combine. Virgin coconut oil and then we combine again. We can also substitute butter if you are not a vegan. Add the soaked raisins in orange juice and mix well. Then we add the dry ingredients like oats flour which has been powdered at home, almond flour again which has been powdered at home, baking powder and combine. Flatten it and top it with blueberries. Bake in a pan for 30 minutes. To make the icing, we take peanut butter, orange juice, some icing sugar. Serve the cake topped with icing sauce and enjoy this make-ahead breakfast all through the week along with your friends and family. Next up, we are making oats granola. To make the oats granola, we take a baking pan and line it with parchment paper. Add the gluten-free oats, chopped nuts of your choice, flaxseed meal which has been powdered at home, pumpkin seeds or any seeds of your choice, desiccated coconut flakes, cinnamon powder, salt and some coconut milk. Mix well to combine. Bake for 45 minutes at 160 degrees centigrade. Once the granola is crisp, add orange zest, chopped dates and cranberries for that added bite and sweetness. In the meanwhile, we chop some chocolate and add it to the warm, crispy granola. Cool and remove it in jars. Enjoy this granola with banana and peanut butter and some plant-based milk. Or mash some of your favorite berries in a plant-based yogurt, some banana and extra berries. If you like the flavor of apple pie, then serve the granola with apples, plant-based milk and dust it with some cinnamon powder. So I hope you liked the recipe as much as I did, and in case you did, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family.